Casey Hess here at Marathon Coach, and typically you'll find me in Florida or somewhere on the East Coast, but today I'm out here at the world headquarters in Oregon for something very special. Two of my customers, they ordered their custom quad slide coach and designed it from the ground up, starting with the paint, and they're getting to see it for the very first time today. So can't wait to take you out here on the production floor and let you see it for the first time right along with them.
So good. Wow. That's so beautiful. So beautiful. Yeah. Great job, Marathon. Great job. Wow. This has been my dream. I started my business way back. I had a small company. I'd pull in a gas station late at night. You'd see some people on prevos, and I'd say, wow, someday, just someday. And you just be there at midnight, 2 in the morning, you'd adore it, and wow.
It's
tears in my eyes.
Yeah.
Look at this, look at the size. That is amazing. Yes. The colors, look at this. Sweetheart, look at the deep.
Yeah, wait till you see it in the light.
This is smoke. Wow, look at that, baby. Look at that. You see this? Right?
Great job with the logo.
Look at the line. Like, when you put on the line, it's like different.
Amazing, buddy. Amazing.
See the logo?
Yeah.
I love that.
Great job.
Oh my God. That's beautiful.
This is gonna make me cry, you know. Wow, this is like incredible.
Beautiful. Oh my God.
Wow, this is amazing. It's like a dream. Wow.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
That's beautiful. Oh my God. This is
It's your new home.
It's our new home. Yeah. Check.
Oh my God, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. They were all pictures. Oh, this is Brenda. I know that. Oh my God, she's. That's amazing.
Almost leaves you breathless. It's
it?
like,
I know.
I mean, this is amazing. It came to life. Wow.
This one open.
I mean, look at the ceiling, how nice, sweetheart. I mean, just every inch of this is wow. Casey and team, great job.
Great job.
These are really cool too.
Oh, there's a wash and dryer, right? Yes.
And these doors like slide and then pop in.
It's easy, right?
Yeah.
So you just
pull it and then
Pull it?
slide it. Yeah.
oh, that's so simple. Yes. Wow, that is amazing. That's good, huh? Refrigerator. Oh.
I don't think we're gonna want to go home.
You can live anywhere you want.
Just live wherever we want. Just take our take our condominium, our apartment, and just move it down the street.
She put all the pictures up. That's awesome. I love it.
Tom and Fawn, thanks so much for coming out here to Oregon to take delivery of this beautiful coach. It's absolutely stunning. And just tell us a little bit out. We're on day 2. So yesterday we caught you coming in the building, seeing the coach for the first time. Tell us what the experience has been like in the last 24 hours, what the feelings, how it's been.
Obviously, when we first got here, we've seen all the video that they've given us as they built it. And you know, sometimes when somebody takes pictures and video, you come in, you're disappointed. Well, we came and it's like quite more amazing than what the videos even showed. I mean, every single inch, every bit of detail. You showed love and care. I mean, Brenda, you just look at everything she's done, from our forks and knives to pictures, our first picture together, wine glasses. I mean, so many details. Brenda picked up on to fit us, and she hit it right on. But I mean, everything, the paint on the outside, it's going to be a great experience.
Well, thank you. We're so happy to have you part of the Marathon family. Your coach is so unique, but it's uniquely yours. I think it fits, like you said, your personality. And as Brenda interviewed you and Pete and discussed what are the things you like, and the paint reflects that, and the interior reflects, like you said, purple. Yes. There's a lot of great purple accents in the coach. So different things to pull on your personality.
Yeah, it's more than we thought. Very, very happy.
Definitely.
Yes.
Great. And just briefly, tell us about the order experience. We have customers that decide whether they want a custom order, they just want to build a show coach, a designer choice coach. Tell us just briefly how the experience was from start to finish with the build process.
It was excellent. We obviously I did my due process. I interviewed a few companies, and I saved the best for last, which was Marathon, and knew nothing about Marathon before I met Casey, and he showed us one up in Daytona at the Speedway last July, 4th of July weekend, and it was different than all the other companies. I mean, I looked at Marathon at that point as like being the Ferrari and the Rolls Royce. Not that other companies are bad; they're all excellent, but I looked at, there was definitely a distinguished difference from what I saw as far as the curvatures and the furniture and all the glass and the fireplace. And I mean, when I walked in and saw theirs, I was like, oh my God, I knew that was it. So Casey did a factory tour. I think I met him around 10 o'clock at night, 12 midnight. I said, hey, I got my plane ticket.
And so patient with us.
Yeah, so we flew up here like a week later, and I'll tell you what, the factory tour was amazing. And I mean, there's probably a couple hundred people that work here in all the different departments, and all of these pillows. I mean, I thought they would buy this couch and pillows and just put it in, and they actually fabricate every sewing stitch right here on premises, and to go from department to department and watch them do it. I say anybody who's not even building a Prevost, they should open up factory tours just for the public to come by, just to see how impressive it is and how amazing, a whole factory builds everything from scratch, from the woodworking to the ceilings. I mean, it was just an amazing experience. Even if you don't buy one, come here and do a factory tour.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive to see.
It is.
How it goes from an empty Prevost bus shell to this. I mean,
Yeah.
we're sitting in this beautiful, luxurious, your home on
Yes.
wheels. So.
And you asked about the experience. We met with them in July, and we came and met again in September. Spent a few days with Brenda and the design team, and Pete with the paint. And we wanted something different on paint. There was actually a Prevost bus sitting right here. It was all black and maybe 5 or 10% color in it. And I said, wow, it looks so rich and so nice looking. And so that's how we started off. Is I want black, but maybe just a little bit more color. Yeah, that works. No, that doesn't work. And the paint design is amazing. And when they sent me the colors, on the swabs on the metal, I said one was like orange, one was blue, one was gold. I said, we don't have no orange, we don't have no gold, and yeah, we do. And when you look at how they blended all the colors together in the paint, I mean, you'd only think a wrap, they could wrap this to be that beautiful. That paint would not be able to, all the different paint colors and how it's all formulated together. I mean, it's amazing how they did that. Yeah, it's a great job, great job.
Well, thank you. We're so excited for both of you. Well, again, welcome to the Marathon family, and I can't wait to have you back on the show, catch up with you in a year, and then you can tell us about all the places in this beautiful country you've taken this coach. So thanks again, welcome to the family, and we're so excited to see where this coach takes you.